Hey traders and investors, it's Friday, October 10th in the evening. Markets just closed. If you didn't watch this morning's video, which really the market unfolded play by play, really the whole week, everything we've been talking about from gold hitting our target and silver, like more or less hitting a resistance level and reversing down, silver having somewhat of a reversal bar. When you look at SLV, it gapped higher, showed some volatility. Today, we had the bad news of tariffs hit the market. We saw the NASDAQ fall 3.5%. We're pretty much in the Magnificent Seven have broken down, which we talked about yesterday in our live mentoring session, how this was setting up that, and I talked about how there's the perfect storm brewing, how the Mag 7s could destroy the stock market once the selling starts there. Anyways, everything is really unfolding kind of play by play, slow and steady here. When we look at the QQQ, we've got the markets are oversold. They pushed into an oversold territory, which we've seen happen several times in the past. If we go back, you can see the other times it gets oversold. We are still in an uptrend, but a lot of damage was done today. Big volume, huge, what looks to be a reversal bar to the downside. And yesterday when I shared in the afternoon update how funky things were, or actually I think it was this morning, how we saw panic selling on day is it today? On Thursday. We saw panic selling on Thursday yesterday, yet the stock market was going higher, and how our indicators, when we look over at our sentiment of the charts, how we have this unique scenario, and I know I'm going pretty quick, but we have this unique scenario where big money is moving out of the market, yet the stock market was hitting all-time highs. Here we have big money moving out of the market, yet the stock market is pushing to all-time highs. And yesterday, the stock market went up in the last 2.5 hours, even though panic selling, huge selling. I say panic selling, but it wasn't really panic selling. It feels more like insiders were dumping shares yesterday. The stock market was held up by the Magnificent Seven, and it looks like the majority of insiders or whoever was unloading a ton of shares yesterday before the close.